Maria Marina Machado had been given the Nobel Prize for World Peace. Trump had been an aspirant for it. He made a claim that ceasefire between India and Pakistan had been effected only through his intelligence. Both the countries denied it, but he didn't give up his efforts. He took lead in settling the fight between the Israel and Hamas. He took other countries to confidence, and the other countries also accepted his leadership for the same. He put forth 20 conditions for coming to a compromise. Both Hamas and Israel agreed it, and virtually it had come in effect. For the last 2 days, there is no attack from the side of Israel against the Hamas. Had it not happened, the same would have been worsened and even led to a third world war. So, in this year, the Nobel Prize for World Peace would have been given or should have been given to Donald Trump. He became entitled for the same.